students in their second year get an opportunity to choose if they wanted to do a placement year, and they get to choose which projects they are interested in.
I've chose Derriford Research Facility just because of the fact that they offer a lot more technical skills that we can do here.
So it's definitely useful that here you actually get to use all the different equipment and know what sort of specialty you want to go into.
During my summer placement, I really wanted to have more of a clinical kind of lab experience, which is within Derriford Research Facility, and it was that kind of drew me towards that as well. So I could basically have the experience in handling the equipment and the techniques.
You have different research groups ranging from cancer biology to microbiology, vaccine development, and being able to be in an environment that's fostering researchers from all the way from undergrad to postgrad to postdoc, lecturers, professors. And I think that's so important to be able to learn these skills, to be able to communicate science to the greater population. I think it's an environment that gives you hopes and dreams that I want to be like that person one day.
They go and talk to the academics running those projects, and they get to work for the whole year on those research projects and sometimes get to publish those work, which is quite nice.
It's more or less working within a clinical lab, which you can then transfer onto whether that's an industry or working as a PhD.
The techniques that I've learned from placement year has been able to make my final year a lot easier. It's also enabled me to better my research for my dissertation.
The students, unless they've tried research, they don't know they like it. They've been an average student and they come to the lab, they can actually start to relate things actually to what they've been studying. And it's amazing how they then just fly from there.
Some courses, they're very much, this is what you can do, watch this clip, and then off you go sort of thing. Whereas here you definitely get to use all the different instruments and understand how they work and what the actual relevance of it is.
You need to have a lot of patience and a lot of resilience. Science doesn't work completely. It's not a linear pathway. Things won't work, things will work sometimes.
So there are lots of different opportunities. You just have to communicate and tell us, and we will help you to get there.